Hey everybody, Robert, Robinson Roofing. Hope you're doing well. What we have behind us is a shed that has been leaking for a long time. The shed had a very flat shingle roof on it. It was not evacuating the water at all. And so what we're doing here with that wood that you see right there, those 2x4s, is we're adding about 8 inches of pitch. And we also suggested that this homeowner put a metal roof. We're using tough panels or ag panels. And we are going to get a nice new rafter system on here, create the pitch, and put the metal roof on. That's going to evacuate the water in a much better fashion that was happening before, because it is a flat shingle roof. So this should be a major improvement and should protect that nice shed well into the future.
Right there's the new plywood for the roof decking. We have the 2x4s in the back to make the trusses. There's the metal, and these are a couple vents that we're going to be adding, so there's proper ventilation since it's still pretty much a flat roof. You can't get a ridge vent on there. And here's the metal in matte black, looking good. All right.
Hey everybody, all right, we're back. Here's the finished product. You can see that we have completed the new roof on the shed. Let's go over here so you can see the new angle and the pitch now that that roof has. And that is going to do much better for evacuating the water. This was a flat surface before in shingles that was prematurely wearing out the shingles. And now you can see we have put the new rafter system in, put up some fascia, put all new decking on there, and then complemented all that with the metal ag panels. So that's going to be a nice matte black metal. There's a drip strip that goes all the way around to help prevent any water that may roll over and try to reach that decking. And this new pitch to the roof, here we go, that new pitch is going to easily evacuate water right off the roof, and she's not going to have any more standing or sitting water up there. Obviously that metal will do much better than the shingles will, but now with that pitch and the combination of the metal, this roof should last her well into the future. Investment justice. So if we can help you in any way, we'd love to hear from you. You can check us out online. We are at www.robinsonroofingllc.com. And yeah, we'll do a little bit more of a walk around here, but very happy with the way this turned out. The proof is when our client is happy, but we'll make sure she's happy. I think she's going to be thrilled.
Take a closer look here. There's the matte black metal. Right underneath the metal, you can see the drip edge that goes around the whole perimeter, just in case. We always leave a nice overhang here. You notice there's no gutter system on here, but there's a nice overhang left by the metal. If water did want to try to wrap around there, it's going to run into that aluminum drip edge and not be able to reach her brand new paper and decking. So it's a very protected roof system. Everything in there is new, and now with the added pitch to the roof, it's going to send that water right off of it in a fine way and protect this roof for a long time. Let's take a look inside. See here. And we went ahead and put 2 vents in for her. Since this is still pretty much a flat roof, there is no ridge, but you still want to go ahead and vent this. So we installed 2 vents for her, which will keep this nice and vented. Here's the new plywood that you can see, and the new rafters. All right, everything else was done really well in here. It was just a flat roof system that they had on this shed initially. And anytime you have a flat roofing system, it's just going to allow for water to pool. There's really no way for it to evacuate off. So if you're doing a flat roof, it's usually recommended, or always recommended, that you don't use shingles. You should either do some sort of rubber membrane or put metal. But even then, flat is never the best option. So you can see here, we added all those 2x4s there, and that is what is now creating this nice new pitch that helps run the water right off the top of that brand new roof. So she's not going to have any problems here. We feel good about it. When she gets back home, we'll make sure she likes it and she's happy.
And then we can call this job a successful job and call it a wrap. All right, everybody take good care. If you have questions, please do reach out. Leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Everybody take good care. All right, bye-bye. touches here on this replacement roof for this shed is we went ahead and we blocked in the eaves for her. That will stop any water penetration. Also a big thing, critters, birds, and any sort of insects that would like to come in there and try to make that shed their home. They are not going to be able to do that because we have that eave blocked off quite nicely. Don't need to worry about venting. As you notice, this door is very open, which is going to let nice amounts of air flow through there, and that's not completely sealed off. It's just blocked so larger critters can't get in, and the majority of a heavy rain or anything of that nature, if there's strong winds, not going to get into the shed and wet or damage anything that she may have stored in there. So that's the final touch, blocking off those eaves. And yeah, hope she likes it. We know she likes it because we've already heard from her. She's very happy, and hope this was helpful for you guys. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.